Today we are going to discuss about how to use Canva to edit our own video. Fine. Why we need Canva? Okay, generally we do the design with the help of Canva. If you don't, then you must export it. There are plenty of features are available, and in the same platform, if you do the editing also, it will be handy. That's the one and main reason. And because if you compare with the other leading editing software, still Canva needs significant improvement, but they are working on it. Recently they have introduced two features, auto trim, highlight, like they keep working on it, but still they need a lot of improvements. Okay, but still we can use it for two reasons. I can recommend for everybody, because it does not require any subscription to use editing features, so anybody can use, and it does not have any restriction on the file size or duration of the video. These two things are so good. You can edit n number of files, and you are not required to bother about what is the video size and all. Okay, so that's a good thing. And also you can use audio tracks from Canva, or you can import your own track. And because if you compare with the other leading editing software, still Canva needs significant improvement, but they are working on it. Recently they have introduced two features, auto trim, highlight, like they keep working on it, but still they need a lot of improvements. Okay, let me select this one, for example. Drag and drop. So this is the video file. So, okay, the screen, you have this one menu bar. Also you have this is called timeline editor. Okay, this is the place where we will be using our editing option, and you can see one slider. This is actually to move and backward, front. It's actually to position in our specific location in the timeline editor. Okay, and what about this? This is the edit option. If you click edit, you can see two features, background remover and highlights. Whenever you see this crown symbol, it is pro version. Okay, the highlight is nothing but you can make a number of snips, automatically it will deduct, and it will be so easy to create shorts and other stuffs and all, right? And this symbol is to crop. Okay, so if I click this, you can see one feature again, auto trim. This auto trim, basically how it function. See, this is the timeline again. Our entire video is here. If I click auto trim and if I mention how many minutes, okay, like if it is already 2.47 minutes, 2 minutes 47 seconds, isn't it? If I give just a 1 minute video, I want to crop, and it will automatically crop to 1 minute. But what the drawback here in the auto trim, it will just crop left and right. We cannot specify which particular area to get cropped. So 60 seconds. So now it become 1.1, because this particular page is also there, so it includes that showing one. So here it is 1, this particular video. Likewise, we can just trim front and back, overall trim, and we can put it over the shorts. It will be very helpful, this auto trim. So I just go back to the original. Okay, I'm not a pro user, then how I can use it? Don't worry about it. You can see left and right. If you place the mouse over here, then you can see the arrow like this. Just you can trim on your own. So manually we can, if you don't want to this side, or if you want till here, you can trim accordingly. You can see here also the changes. Okay, so whenever I do the cropping, you can see automatically the crop will go there, otherwise it will come. So this manual, this is auto, that's all. So no need to worry. As I said in the beginning, Canva gave all the features almost free. Then I want to edit in the middle, particular sections I want to delete, or I want to add something. So what I can do? Simple. So then we have to use this editor. This is the timeline editor we said, right? So in this timeline editor, if I just click play button, it will play within the window. The canvas, what size we have selected, it will play the video within that. But if you want to have a complete view, then you can go here, okay, this button, and it will play the entire video from the beginning. There is a difference, right? Within the canvas, also which position this slider acts actually there. So it will play from there. So whenever we do the editing, ideally it is more suitable to use this play button, so that we can cross check the preview. If once we done everything, then we can click this one, and we can check whether everything is perfect. then automatically we can stop somewhere. If you are not happy, then we can go back here. Okay, done. So now we will edit in between. Okay, for example, okay, if I don't want this like, for example, I added one font like. If I don't want this like to get added, so I place the cursor or the slider or the playhead. We have to select the video and right click, and we can see the split page. The option is there, right? So just a split page. So now it is a two options we have. Now just do the trimming. So till where I don't want like till. I can see from here, so I can just move, done. So the like has gone. Got it? Done. So if you want to add something in the middle, you can add the page here and you can bring the video from your system, or if you want to add something from the Canva elements, for example, I'll just choose some what videos we can add. So let me put corporate videos. Let's see whatever comes, just for the trial purpose. No? So I'll just add. So this also will be in the middle. Okay. If you don't want to edit anything, then you can make it a set as background. If it is a too big, you don't want this this much length, then you can resize it. And again, as I said, you can minimize, you can cut from here in between as well. You can split the page and you can crop. Done. So we added the page, we deleted, and if you don't want this page, just right click and you can delete. You can see this three dots. No? Just click delete page. Done. So likewise, oh no, I made a mistake. I just want to back. Then click Ctrl Z. Done. Also, if you have, see, I have to scroll like this to right, and if I want to move this one to here, swapping the pages, it is possible. So I swapped it already, but if it is 15 pages like this, the long videos and all, it is so hard for us to do this editing. We can see this sorter view here. In the PowerPoint we used to have slide sorter, na? The same. So just click this one, then it will list all the pages. Here it's called grid view. So all the pages, from you can reorganize your pages. For example, I want this first, I don't want this, so I can delete. So like we can do all the play over there. Okay, done. You just click back here, then it will come back to normal. And yes, we're done for the editing, I believe. Almost we completed. So now we know how to add, delete, and do editing as well. Okay, if you want to add some tags, or if you want to add something, some text, you can do that. So simple. So just if you want to hear like some heading, you want to in the middle of the video, if you want to give like example, and if this is the particular segment, if it is comes from this point of mode, then what you have to do, just select the video, right click. Okay, you can see show element timing, right? So this is the actual timer. This we don't want to see the entire video. In a one particular situation where is actually we are going to talk about the adding tracks, it has to be visible, right? So then what we have to do, just select and trim. That's it. So for example, if this is the location I'm going to talk about this audio file, but this is visible for the entire video, isn't it? So if you see the entire page, how to add track, but we are going to talk about this adding tracks only from this segment onwards. So what to do? Just click this one and now just trim. Done. So it will show only from here. Click play. So it all will show the remaining steps. I can even expedite. Done. So it will show from here. Even if you don't want the enter, you can squeeze like this. How we are accessing this? Show timer. Then next is, for example, if you want to add some video in this point and automatically how to add tracks. So some girl is listening music, something like that. Okay, simple. Put elements and yeah, something like music listening video or a girl listening video. So whatever, if you want a girl or boy or man or woman, so whatever. So I like this one. So you can add this and you can resize. Before resizing or all these steps, what I can suggest, you can go to elements, circle frame. Okay, this one is nice, simple. Just put it over there and just done. Simple. So this one also you can now synchronize to where actually we are going to talk about audio section, right? Done. So whenever the video plays from here onwards, you can see this girl video as well. See? Done. What else? Now we want to add tracks. If you are not a pro user, then I would suggest to keep your video embedded with audio, okay? And then you can extract it, simple. So because you can, import audio into the system if you are not a pro user. I'm not sure whether they have revised the policy, but you can use their inbuilt audio tracks. For example, the beginning music and all, we can play it, we can add it from here. I will show that in the later. So first we will finish our own video editing. Trying to show with another video, for example. Click extract audio. See, this is the audio. You can see the track, and if you want to trim from the beginning, same how we did the video, you can do so, and you can shift over right and left, all these things you can do. And also likewise end audio also, if you want to make something, then you can remove it as well. And if it is in between, for example, if you see so much of gap here, if you want to remove it, just place your playhead over there and just right click, and you can see split audio, same as split page, split audio. Done. Dun, dun, dun. Squeeze it and move it. Done. So likewise, if you want to add some track in between here, you forgot to say something and you want to add on another track, same, move a bit and you add the track from here. It should be uploaded here, and then you can import from audio section. So for example, if this is the audio, is 10 minutes, and you can put it on. So likewise, you can add multiple tracks. So if you're not happy with this, then keep searching. This is nice. So I'm just adding this, and you can again trim as well as so big track. If you want to make it only at the end of the video, then you can, and you can also select the section of the audio, like in between this you can see how per beat. If you want just upper beat, then dun, 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 dun. Done. And if you want to add some music front and end, that's also possible. There is music available, or you can import as well. If you want your free, then you can click, you can use free audio, or you can go for both. So right, so here I'll just go with the okay. Likewise, you can which part also you can choose. Just you have to move. So this is called adjust. Okay. When working with multiple tracks and you need to play one or more tracks simultaneously, it's crucial to adjust their volume levels. To do this, simply select a track and specify the desired volume as a percentage. For example, 100%, 60%, or 30%, 10%, like this. So it is in 100. Now you can choose to some 30 to minimize the sound. Ensure thorough planning installation techniques. Okay. And now you want the sound to be a bit more because your voice is done. Then Control V, just Control C, Control V. Now you can increase the volume here. So it's all up to us. If you want the complete audio track in one single sound, then you can click apply to all audio tracks, same 30 or 100 or 60, whatever it is. No, we want customized, then you can go by like this. So I can make it some 100, let it be for this techniques. Done. Okay. And finally, you can play with the preview section here. So it will play from the beginning. So somewhere if you're not happy with the section, no worries, close and you can come back, you can edit. And once you're happy with all, then you can download. If you are concerned that your single video is into multiple pages, don't worry, you can download as a single video. So here you see all pages. So if you are not happy with the, I mean, if you are not required all the pages, still you can go for customization as well. First page, third page, or only one page. So it's all available. Okay. So if you just click, leave it as it is, download, done, then it will create a single video of all the pages along with the tracks. If you don't want the entire video, if you want one particular section, then you can choose. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.